What is Jamaica known for? Jamaica is known to be the birthplace of reggae, Bob Marley, world's fastest sprinters, Blue Mountain coffee, Red Stripe beer, Jamaican rum, beautiful beaches, jerk dishes, luxurious all-inclusive resorts and clear waterfalls. Most Jamaicans are Protestant. The largest denominations are the Seventh-day Adventist and Pentecostal churches. A smaller but still significant number of religious adherents belong to various denominations using the name Church of God. Jamaica's national fruit, the ackee, is commonly used as the main ingredient in the island's traditional food dish, ackee and saltfish. This pear-shaped produce features a mild, nutty taste, which is why it is commonly curried over rice or cooked with tomatoes, onions, and codfish. If Jamaica's so nice, why do some choose to migrate? Jamaicans migrate to the United States for many socio-economic reasons. When migration is encouraged by economic hardship caused by a failing economy based upon plantation agriculture, lack of economic diversity, and scarcity of professional and skilled jobs. During the 19th century, Jamaica has had a median land distribution track record. The uneven allotment of arable crown lands and old plantations used to leave farmers without a sufficient plot for subsistence or cash crop farming, and during the 1970s the standard of living varied due to economic inflation and low salaries. Jamaica's foreign debt and the International Monetary Fund's (IMF) restructuring of the economy further exacerbated the island's economic woes in the 1980s and 1990s.